Hi, I'm Harvey. I'm Business Development from Reviews. I just wanted to share some information on a report that we created. We analysed thousands upon thousands of online consumer reviews in the home cleaning space to understand what really drives preferences today. And we found some very interesting shifts. One of the biggest trends we saw was the shift towards bleach-free alternatives. Consumer discussion around bleach-free products is up 30%, outpacing traditional bleach. More importantly, consumer sentiment is higher for bleach-free options, at 80% versus 76% for bleach. The bleach category is dominated by Clorox, which commands over 70% of the market discussion in both bleach and bleach-free segments, making it tough for other brands to stand out. But this and some other intelligence we found suggest real opportunities for other brands who want to succeed in this space. If you want to get these kind of insights for your brand from real online data, book a meeting and get a free analysis.